how's everyone doing today? This is Tomer, the co-founder of the Digital Reach platform, and today we're going to talk about a way to improve your reach and impressions on Twitter and Instagram, and it's via Hashtagify. So Hashtagify allows you to do hashtag research, so you can search, you put your hashtag in, see how it's doing. And right here, you can see the screen, right? So you can search on Twitter hashtags, and now they just actually added Instagram. This is part of the free version, but there is a paid version as well, and a lot of stuff, like, so when you do see top tweets, I'll take you to a paid version. But you can see, right, they have a word cloud right here, of related hashtags, mostly tweeted by. You have the people right here. So like right now, the word that we typed in was stay safe, especially during this coronavirus pandemic. You can see the popularity, right? So you can see, obviously the closest to 100, the more popular it is. Recent popularity, monthly trends, week trend. So it's -3% of the week trend, and you can see a full analysis. But once again, that is by you have to pay for that. And you can see right here too, same idea. You can do it by popularity with your related hashtags. So you can see COVID-19, coronavirus, COVID_19, stay safe, stay healthy, and COVID 2019. Then, like I said, when you see top tweets, it's going to ask you to pay for it, right? So this is just kind of a good understanding to do hashtag research. Hashtag research will help you, reach the audience you want to reach, but also improve your reach and impressions, especially with Twitter and Instagram, since it's easier to get seen via hashtags with those two platforms, right? And this is primarily only for really Twitter and on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So you can see right here, right? So you see like week trends. You can see the last 2 months trends, popularity trend. You can compare. You see all-time popularity, past weeks, current week projection, Zoom, top 6 languages. You can see 85%, 10% recognized. So you can see, unrecognized. 2% Indonesian, 1% Japanese, 1% Dutch, and 1% Hindi. And you can see the spelling variance, right? So that's something to keep in mind too when you're writing out your hashtags. When you schedule, when you're getting ready to schedule your posts, Hashtagify is a perfect tool you should definitely be using. And you can see a tweets wall too, right? So you see, you can see all these people tweets using the hashtag, stay safe. You can load more. So this is just kind of an overview. And here we go. In top countries where the hashtag is being used, obviously you can tell it's by the United States. So yeah, that's the purpose of using Hashtagify. It's pretty simple, pretty straight to the point. And I'll do a quick example, right? So that was stay safe. Let's do COVID. There we go. Let's do COVID-19 as a hashtag, right? So let's track that real quick. Oh, nope. Oh, search. I'm sorry. Search it real quick. When you track it, you have to actually pay for it. Yeah, so you can see right here, right? So you see the popularity is 79.3, 100, recent popularity is 100. It's a -7% trend. Week trend is 0%. And once again, right, you can see these related hashtags on popularity. You can do it on correlation. So it's a great tool, definitely, like I said, to improve your reach, to compare and contrast hashtags that you may or may not be working. There are a few things. Here's Instagram, for example, right? They're trying for free, but you're gonna actually have to pay for it in the right now if you want to use it. But yeah, so these are definitely an excellent tool if you want to boost your impressions and reach. We're gonna be doing more of these types of videos on helpful digital marketing tools, resources. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.